So you bought yourself a drone. Man, that's awesome. They are so much fun to fly. But you live in a city next to an airport and aren't sure where you can fly it and not get in trouble. You've been surfing the web and can't make heads or tails of the FAA regulations. Well, join the club. So check this out. So if you want the best training that will help you make sure you don't violate the FAA regulations, then surf over to pilotinstitute.com and check out the drone courses. Hey, and if you want to know more, follow me. Hey, thanks for sticking around. Let me start by saying this review is based on my experience only, as I am not endorsed by, sponsored by, or compensated for this review by Pilot Institute. I did receive a t-shirt from Pilot Institute for passing my Part 107 test with a 97%. The shirt you saw in the beginning of this video. So if you're serious about learning how to become a certified FAA Unmanned Aircraft Systems commercial drone pilot, then you need to listen up. The web is full of courses that claim to be able to help you pass the FAA Part 107 exam. I even recognize some of the providers based on my experience as a FAA certified private pilot. But don't be fooled by the claims that you can use practice tests only and be guaranteed to pass the exam. You will probably fail the test. The FAA does not provide or post any of the questions to the exam online. In fact, on April 6th of this year, the FAA changed the entire exam and many of the original questions are now probably retired. So don't be fooled by a deal that sounds too good to be true and waste money to fail a test. I paid $160 for my test in March of this year. Pilot Institute has a complete course to prepare you for the FAA Part 107 exam. Greg, your instructor, will cover every section that the FAA has outlined for the exam. Greg will also make sure you understand each section and prepare you to be a safe, competent pilot. Do you want to learn some maneuvers? Do you want to start a drone business? Pilot Institute has a course for that. I want to thank Greg and Pilot Institute for presenting a course that not only helped me pass the Part 107 test, but allowed me to do it at my own pace. So if you are serious about becoming a Part 107 certified commercial pilot, or you just want to become a safer drone pilot, check out pilotinstitute.com. Hey, thanks for watching and happy flying.